In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not launching on PC. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it can be incredibly frustrating if Forza Horizon 6 just isn't launching no matter what. So there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do. The first one is once it's installed, you don't have to uninstall it and then reinstall it or anything. I mean, you can if you want to, but the best thing to do is right click on it, and then you're going to see properties as one of the options. Once you're here, go over to installed files. And then what we want to do is verify the game files. So where it says verify integrity of game files, go ahead and click on this, and then it should be working fine. But it basically checks to see if there's any files missing from the initial download, because sometimes it can bug out when it's downloading and installing the game. So once you verify, it's going to check, and if there is anything missing, it's going to download it for you. What you could also do is try moving your installation folder to a completely different drive. And like, for example, mine's on my C drive right now. I can try and move it to my D drive. The next thing I would want to go ahead and do is, while I'm still in the installed files section, go over to browse right here, and then it's going to open up this folder. Go to the Forza Horizon 6.exe. Then what we want to do is go over to properties. Once we're in here, go to compatibility, and you want to check disable full screen optimizations, press apply, and then press OK. Also, you want to run a program as administrator, press apply, press OK, or just do both of these, then press apply and press OK, and that should definitely work too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.